Recently in the last 2 to 3 years, starting before COVID, we saw the request for a higher degree of automation. So tire makers were requesting us to provide interfaces for automated tire handling systems. After or during COVID, we now see a trend for more or a higher level of system integration when it comes to machine control and supervision, because now people want to know remotely what their equipment is doing. So we see there a shift for more digital interfaces for machine inside. Well, basically with COVID coming more and more to an end of 2021, we saw some recovery in the market. Customers were catching up on investments they suspended or postponed due to COVID and the uncertain market situation. Now we see that there's some sort of catch up. Now with the political situation in Ukraine, again there's a small bump in or dent in the market requests, because the customers now have to wait and see. So mainly it's then about equalizing the losses that come up due to lost production from Russia, and the rest is then currently what has been already put on order. So next half year will be quite challenging. We have to wait and see how things will develop. So basically there hasn't been that much of a change when it comes to the market requests or how the market responds to this kind of situation. Over the last 10 years we've always seen more or less 2 to 3 years of increased demand. Then there was always, let's say, 1 year of pause and everyone had to readjust and get things running. But we don't see a general change at the moment in market behavior, and also not that this would be really required. The main thing was driven by COVID, and this is, let's say, remote work and basically autonomous machine operation with least possible manual intervention. Well, when it comes to sustainability, HF has to play 2 roles, of course. First of all, it's about our own operations. What are we doing in terms of sustainability? So we did quite a lot there. We have still ambitious targets and some way to go to cover our side of the story. On the other side, of course, it's about what kind of products we supply to our customers. So we spent some R&D effort in recent years, last 5 years, mainly on reducing energy consumption, raising the efficiency of the products we supply. We've come a pretty good way in achieving this, so now we are introducing our solutions into the market. We see a rising demand there, and the next step in terms of sustainability from our point of view will be to provide digital solutions in helping operating the equipment at the optimum operational point, to allow our customers to get the highest efficiency and effectiveness out of our equipment. We did, but let's say the focus was first of all on the primary product side, which we are supplying as a machine supplier, so the basic machine was our focus, and then we already had this on our strategy roadmap, but now with the time moving on, we finished our basic homework regarding our machines and products, and now we decided, okay, it's time for the next step, and we expanded our business activities also into the direction of digital products.